Hi guys, welcome back. We are here to do a scent that I got from FragranceNet.com, but it's the Gelato Cotton Candy Craze. It says, step into a world of playful sweetness with Gelato Cotton Candy Craze. A whimsical gourmand fragrance that opens with bright green mandarin and red berries before melting into a dreamy heart of cotton candy and bubblegum. This enchanting scent settles into a warm, creamy base of vanilla and caramel, creating an irresistibly fluffy and comforting experience that captures the essence of carnival magic. And this one you can wear anytime, like any season, because it's got the fluffy airiness to it. You would almost want something a little heavier, I think, in the wintertime. But it is on clearance at FragranceNet.com. And it's $28.79 right now. And let me tell you who taught me about this one. It was, what is his name? On YouTube. Redolessence, he's amazing. If you don't follow him on YouTube, oh my gosh, that man knows everything about fragrance. How it's made. He's spoke to a lot of the perfume, the people that make, the artists that make the scents. He's very, very knowledgeable, and I love his personality. It is, let me spell it out for you. REDOLESSENCE. I'll tag his channel in the comments. You guys, he was talking about this and I'm like, if he likes it, he doesn't bullshit about fragrances. He did say it's not his scent profile because it's very feminine. I'm not saying a man can't wear this, but it's feminine. That's just what it is. And it's by Amaran, yeah. And you guys, this is literally, I'm not going to spray it on me. Don't do it. Because I already have Isla Serena on. And Juliet has a gun, banana. So I don't want to. But look at that. Isn't she cute? She is so cute. So that's the lid. Oh my God. I might buy a backup because I wonder if they're going to stop making this. I hope they never stop making it. I feel like when they go on clearance, so good. But it's not cheap. It's actually really nice. It says Amaran. It's got the gelato, guys. And it lasts. It has projection and it lasts on your skin, which is crazy because most like cotton candy ones last about, unless it's an oil, doesn't last very long. You know, you have to reapply it. This one, no. And I still smell it on that white cover up that I always wear. I can still smell it from yesterday, you guys. And I didn't spray that much on it. Usually I overspray. This you really don't need to. You guys, it's good. If you want a good gourmand summer scent, pick this up. It's under 30 bucks. You can't go wrong. You really can't. Not on that. That is like the flipping best cotton candy. And I've smelled a lot of cotton candy scents that I have ever come in contact with. But I have ordered some more because, you know, I actually have mostly marshmallow scents. I don't have a lot of cotton candy scents. If I have cotton candy, it's like a body spray from like Victoria's Secrets or Pink. But thank you guys for being here for that. And I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like gourmands, I'm your girl. But like I said, Redolessence, follow him. He is I learn a lot from him. I keep watching his videos and I'm learning a little bit more every day. I have to constantly watch it though to keep it fresh in my mind. Thank you guys again. Make sure you hit that hype button, thumbs up, go subscribe to Redolessence. Absolutely subscribe to him. And his shorts are perfect too because every time he's reviewing something new, it's on one of his shorts. That's really quick and you'll see it. And he's quick about it and he gets to the point. And he's also very informative. That's what I like about him. But anyway, hit your bell notification. Join us Friday nights at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for trivia and pick your poison. Definitely so. 7 p.m. Pacific on Friday. And get in the habit of checking my daily lives so you can be the first to see these hauls and get your hands on these items. So yeah, this one's on clearance. Make sure you go grab it. I guess I'll link it down below, fragrancenet.com. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.